Hello, today I'll be showing you an example in Power BI using use relationship function. So without wasting any time, let's start. Initially, we are supposed to load an Excel file which has two tables, dates and staff. Let's jump on that. See, this is the file I am supposed to fetch it in Power BI. So I'll fetch it in Power BI. I'll go to get data, Excel. I'll double click over here. It will take a second. Yeah. I'll check mark both the tables. I'll say load. It will take few seconds to load. Let's give it a time. Yeah, it's done. Now it's saying we have to create a relationship between these two tables, dates and staff. One has to be active, another one has to be inactive. The inactive one is the dotted one, the active one is the complete line without any breaks. So one relationship has to be between the date key, which is this one, and the date someone was born, which is date born, and the another one is the same date key and the date someone was joined, so date joined. Now I'll do that. I'll drag this and place it over here. Date born. See, the active relationship has been generated. I'll again drag this and I'll link it with date joined. See, the inactive relationship has been established. Now we can start with our work. Now it's saying that we have to create two measures. First one is number of joiners. How many number of employees joined during a specific period of time, and how many number of second measure is how many number of staff members were born during a specific period of time. So I'll create those two measures, but we have to use relationship function, and bear in mind that use relationship function, you cannot use it just at randomly. You cannot use it randomly. We have to use calculate function, then only we can use the use relationship function. So I'll show you that. See, the first one is number of joiners. Right, number of joiners. Okay, so I'll say calculate what are we supposed to count? Staff members. So count staff, first name, and I'll use relationship function over here. So I'll say date key and date joined, because we have to find the relationship. We have to find how many number of staff members joined, so I have to link it with date joined. See, this will create the first measure, and I'll create the another measure now. Again, number born. Yeah, so it will be calculate again, count again, everything will be same except for the last keyword, staff member comma use relationship, date key comma and date born. See, because we have to find the, now this time the born, how many staff members were born during a specific period, so I have to link it with date born, and it will be done. See, we have achieved our number born, both the measures, number of joiners as well as number born. Now what it's saying, let's see that we have to create a table showing the value of each measure for each year. So I'll do that. First I'll go to the table. Let me expand it a bit. So what it's saying, first we have to use year first. Year is over here. Then we have to use number of joiners, and then number born, number of joiners and number born. You don't worry about that, this will be sorted out quickly. Don't summarize. See, we have achieved our result. You can verify it over here. Exactly, we have got exactly the same output we wanted. Let me change the size, increase the size of the values. 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, this works pretty good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, total is also okay. Title, we can leave that thing aside. Yeah, now we are done. Good to go. Let me release it. Yeah, see, this is the number of joiners. Now I can save this file with staff history. We are supposed to save this file with the name staff history. So I'll save it in my documents. File in my PC. So I'll replace it with this new file. Working, yeah. Now we can publish it in the Power BI service. I already have this same file in my Power BI service as well. So I'll replace it. Open. See, this is the exact table which was there in the Power BI desktop. Now here we can share it with anybody we want to, and give them access to, so that they can see this report. We need to do is we can write their email address, and we can also do this. We can share this link with them, and they will have the access. But we have to provide them the access then only. So both we have to type the email address, as well as we have to send this link to them so that they can share it. Now that was it from my side for this assignment. Thank you very much.